Do you know the correct feeding technique of fluorite powder ball press? For fluorite powder ball press, feeding is also a technical work. Before feeding, be sure to let the machine run empty for 3 to 5 minutes before filling. The reason to do so is to prevent the machine from eating too much material, causing loads on the reducer and motor. Secondly, quantitative feeding can make the motor run smoothly and the charge is stable. When the feeding quantity exceeds the specified quantity of equipment, it will cause overload. It can even force the device to suddenly shut down. When the feed is too little, the ball forming effect is unstable, and the strength of the ball is relatively low. So in the operation of the machine to master the dose is an important link. Skilled operation technology and correct feeding is an important link, is also an important condition to ensure the normal operation of fluoride powder ball press.